Imagine a place where the sky is filled with flitting birds, the air with their sweet songs. A place where the sun warms the back of the capybaras, lounging in the shallows, and the water sparkles with darting fish. Wetlands, among many other benefits, cool down the surface of the earth. It retains water, creates green spaces, and produces water cycles, refilling the circle again. This was once a place of peace and tranquility, a place where nature was in perfect balance. Over the time, the people of this place started to take it for granted. They dumped their waste into their streams and rivers, destroying the wetlands for their own convenience, just like how we often ignore the consequences of our actions in our daily lives, justifying every action under progress. How many times we get rid of important things in life in order to progress? We live part of our lives at work on a daily basis, most of the times leaving beautiful moments aside, just pursuing what we call success. The animals of this place watched in sadness as their home were destroyed, their food sources depleted. It was as if a heavy weight had settled over their hearts, like a storm that threatens to destroy everything we hold dear in our lives. The birds who once soared with grace and freedom now struggle to find a place to call home. The effects of these actions are devastating. The wetlands are facing more challenges than ever before. From pollution to habitat destruction, the future of this place and its inhabitants remains uncertain, just like how we feel when our own homes and loved ones are in danger. But there is still hope. People all over the world are coming together, working tirelessly to protect this place, just like we stand by our loved ones in times of hardship. They are cleaning up the water, replanting habitats, and safeguarding the wildlife, just like how we support each other in our own lives. But the fight is far from over. The wetlands and its inhabitants still face many challenges and threats. The future of the place remains uncertain, and the birds who once soared free still struggle to find a place to call home. That's why I'm calling on you to join me in this effort to protect this place of peace and tranquility. There's so much we can do, from volunteering our time to making a donation to simply spreading the word about the importance of wetlands conservation. Let's work together to ensure that the birds can once again soar free and the wetlands can thrive for generations to come.